This video will demonstrate how to download the CA Mix 14.1 PAX file from CA support online using the FTP method. In addition, it will cover how to unpack and create the Mix 14.1 installation datasets to be used during the upgrade or new installation process. Open a browser and navigate to support.ca.com. After logging in with your CA Support online credentials, click the Download Management link as highlighted on this slide. In the search box, type Mix and CA Mix Resource Management will appear below. Click on CA Mix Resource Management. The next screen will show you the product downloads for the CA Mix Resource Management product. In the Release field, make sure 14.1 is selected. Then click where it says CA Mix Resource Management MVS on the left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to the individual files for download. At the bottom of this list is the Mix 14.1 PAX file, DVD5 10.0.1235.pax.z. Also note that above the PAX file is the Mix 14.1 cover letter. To the right of each item is a shopping cart icon. Click the icon next to the PAX file, which will add the package to your cart. After clicking the shopping cart icon to add the package to your cart, scroll back up to the top of the screen and click the cart icon as indicated on this slide. This will open the cart download page. Click the down arrow next to all files as indicated on this slide. By clicking the down arrow, it will reveal the PAX file along with the download icon next to it. Click the blue download icon as indicated on this slide. After clicking the blue download icon, you will be presented with various options for download. For this video, we will focus on the FTP method. The other methods allow you to download the PAX file to your local hard drive. Click FTP as indicated on this slide. After clicking FTP, the following screen will appear and display that the package is being processed. This page will refresh on its own every minute or so. When the package is ready for download, an FTP option will be presented. Click on the FTP icon as indicated in this slide. After clicking the FTP icon, details will be displayed such as the host name, username, and password. Please note that the password provided is auto-generated and valid for only this FTP downloader request. Make note of all of these fields as they will be needed in the JCL, which will be used to download the PAX file directly to your USS directory. The next step of the process involves creating or using an existing USS directory for the Mix PAX file. In this example, we have created a new directory called Mix with a subdirectory called FTP. This slide shows the JCL job used to download the PAX file from the FTP location to the USS directory specified. This information was displayed to you when clicking the FTP download icon in your shopping cart on support.ca.com. As indicated in this slide, the preferred FTP hostname is ftpdownloads.ca.com along with the username and password provided in the FTP download options. Specify binary, and for the FTP location, just specify the file name as provided to you from the CA Support online download page. The 14.1 PAX file name is DVD5 10.0.1235.pax.z. Change your /directory to the USS directory you created in the previous step where you want to place the PAX file. Lastly, you can provide a new name if you desire for the 14.1 PAX file. After all changes have been made, submit this job, which will download the PAX file from the CA FTP server to your USS directory. After the PAX file has been successfully FTP'd to your USS directory, the next step is to unpack the file. This can be accomplished using a JCL job such as the one displayed on this slide. Change your /directory to the USS directory where you downloaded the PAX file. In addition, specify the name of the file as it now exists in your USS directory. After successfully unpaxing the Mix 14.1 PAX file, a new directory called base install will be created within your USS directory. Select this directory to view the contents. Within the base install directory, there will be numerous files as shown on this slide. At the bottom, there will be an Unzip Jcl file. Place an E next to Unzip Jcl to edit this job. This opens the editor for the Unzip Jcl job. Take time to read through the comments and apply the updates needed to successfully run this job. This job will create the installation datasets to upgrade or install a new copy of Mix. After the Unzip Jcl has completed, the following ESD datasets will have been created. In this slide, the high level shown, csub.m011705c, which is what I specified as my high level qualifier in the Unzip Jcl job. The next step is to run an IEB copy job that will copy from the ESD tapeload.control and tapeload.load datasets into your new 14.1 tapeload load and control datasets. If you're upgrading from a previous release of Mix, you can rename your existing tapeload.control and tapeload.load datasets for easy refer back. It is recommended to put the old release number in your renamed tapeload datasets. Once submitted, this job will copy the installation material from the ESD tapeload datasets to the newly created 14.1 tapeload datasets. After successfully running the IEB copy job in the previous slide, edit the newly created tapeload.control dataset in edit member ESD 1710L. Follow the instructions in the comments to upgrade your existing PSP to the current release. Once completed, you would then refresh your PSP tables with an MWF and then begin to apply the maintenance. For a new install, edit member ESD MLD1 and then follow the instructions to install a new complex. For more information and next steps, refer to the CA-MIX 14.1 documentation on the DocOps platform. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.